In this Canton Fair, these products and trends deserve the attention of foreign trade merchants. China Canton Fair is in full swing. You must not miss these popular products. A total of 20 exhibition areas for household appliances, building materials and home decoration, industrial manufacturing, and hardware tools were set up in this issue. 12,911 companies participated in the exhibition offline, including 3,856 new exhibitors. The number of participants in this issue exceeded 1.26 million. During the exhibition period, what should be paid attention to, and what is the consumption trend? We found some information that foreign trade merchants are concerned about. 1. New energy products. In recent years, climate change has attracted more and more attention from foreign news media and consumers, and new energy products have become more and more highly praised by consumers. Especially for European and American consumers and even enterprises, the concept of environmental protection and green has been deeply rooted in the hearts of the people. 2. Household appliances. From electrical products commonly used in daily life, such as bathroom supplies, kitchen utensils, and bedroom supplies, to whole house smart home appliances and home smart energy products, the home furnishing products at the Canton Fair are very eye-catching. At present, energy-saving, low-carbon, and environmentally friendly electronic products/smart products are more popular among European and American consumers. 3. Outdoor products. Products with different needs in industry and households, such as solar/photovoltaic storage panels, solar water pumps, solar cameras, lights, etc. Many outdoor products are also on the list of search terms previously released by Wayfair. It is summer when the time comes. This kind of product is the best-selling period at this time. 4. New energy vehicles. Over the past year or so, new energy vehicles have made great strides in going overseas. In addition to cars, various types of scooters are also favored by consumers. This kind of transportation product, which is relatively small in size compared to cars, requires investment. The capital is relatively small, which is more suitable for individual sellers and cross-border enterprises. Due to the high inflation in European and American countries, the Engel coefficient has risen, and consumers are becoming more and more sensitive to prices. According to the Jungle Scout Consumer Trends Report for the first quarter of 2023, according to consumer surveys in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Germany, consumers are more concerned about prices, payment methods, and page design. According to consumers of different age groups and their usual online shopping habits, it can be seen that most consumers tend to search and shop directly on Amazon. Among them, Generation X, that is, the current middle-aged consumer group around 40 years old, tends to prefer search engines, while Generation Z, the current young generation around 20 years old, prefers to compare and search through multiple parties, and search through video websites for relatively more. Based on the above, Amazon is still a platform that companies and individual sellers can deploy. When doing off-site promotion, you can promote it reasonably according to the characteristics of the product and the appropriate age group to avoid ineffective promotion. For example, if you promote home kitchen products on video websites, the effect will be worse than the previous search engines and official shopping websites. Pay attention to the quality and durability of products, and pay more attention to the categories of necessities. Generally speaking, consumer preferences and products can reflect the current fashion and future fashion trends, and exhibitors may be able to discover and find inspiration for developing new products from them. Of course, many good products also mean great competition.